What's up, you guys? This is your homeboy Josh, and for today, I'm going to be teaching you how to put a scoreboard in a game that you created in Scratch. So basically, I've created a basic game wherein the cat chases the laser pointer, and we're going to be creating the scoreboard. So first is you're going to go to the when the green flag is click block. I guess that's pretty basic for all Scratch projects, right? So forever block and then if then block, you're going to go to sensing, then if touching the laser, then you create a new variable that's named score. So I already have it here. Then change score to 1. All right. And then another if block to reset the score. Basically, this is just an add on to what we are doing right now. So we're going to go to set set score to 0 when space is pressed. Right. All right.